Dear students, last day we were discussing about types of hybridization. And in types of hybridization, I have already discussed to you about the sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sp3d and sp3d2, sp3d3 hybridization we will discuss today. Now, first we will discuss about the sp3d type of hybridization. First, we will discuss about the sp3 sp3 sp3d type of hybridization. Hybridization. sp3d hybridization. Example: if PCl5 is taken, if phosphorus pentachloride is taken. Now, atomic number of phosphorus is 15. Atomic number of phosphorus is 15. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, thrice s2, thrice p, thrice p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, thrice s2, thrice p3. This one is the electronic configuration of phosphorus 15. 2 electrons present in 3s and 3 electrons present in 3p. 3 electrons present in 3. 2 electrons present in 3s and 3 electrons present in 3p. 3d is also present. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So 3s, 3p and 3d is vacant. This one is the ground state. This one is the ground state. This one is the ground state. But in excited state, one electron jump from 3s to 3d. In excited state, one electron jump from 3s to 3d. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this one is the one electron. This one 3s, 3p, 3d. In this way, one orbital of 3s, 3 orbital of 3p and 1 orbital of 3d intermix together and show sp3d type of hybridization. Here 5 hybrid orbitals are formed. Here 5 hybrid orbitals are formed. 5 hybrid orbitals are formed. Here 5 hybrid orbitals are formed. 5 hybrid orbitals are formed like this. 5 hybrid orbitals are formed. 1 2 3 4. 5 hybrid orbitals are formed. Now, with these 5 hybrid orbitals, p orbitals of 5 chlorine atom overlap to each other. Chlorine, Cl, Cl, Cl and Cl. In this way, TCl 5 TCl 5 trigonal bipyramidal structure like this. This one is the trigonal bipyramidal structure. It is a trigonal bipyramidal structure. These are equatorial bonds. This one is the equatorial bond, this one is the equatorial, and this one equatorial. It is a 120 degree. This one is also 120 degree, and this one is also 120 degree, and this axial is of 90 degree. Axial is of 90 degree. This axial is of 90 degree. So this structure is trigonal bipyramidal. Structure, trigonal bipyramidal structure. Dear students, please write down this structure in your copy. TCl 5 have a trigonal bipyramidal structure, and it shows sp3d type of hybridization in which one orbital of s, 3 p orbital and 1 d orbital intermixed together to show sp3d type of hybridization. Now, next type of hybridization is sp3d2. sp3d2. Next type of hybridization is sp3d2. sp3d2. sp3d type of hybridization. sp3d2 type of hybridization. For example, if SF6 is taken, if SF6 is taken, then in SF6 sulfur have a sp3d2 type of hybridization, and it has a octahedral structure. For example, atomic number of sulfur is 16, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, trices2, triep6, 4, 2 to 4, 6, 10 to 12, 12, and this one is the here 3p4, 10 to 12, or 12 or 4, 16. Now in sulfur 16, Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, thrice-s2, thrice-p4. Now what happened? 2 electron in 3s and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 electron in 3p. This one the ground state. 3d is also present, but that is vacant. 3d is also present, but that is vacant. That is vacant. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what happened? This one is the ground state. Ground state. But in excited state, what happened? One, two, three. One, two, 3, 4, 5. In excited state, one electron jump in this orbital and one electron in this orbital. In this way, it shows sp3d2 type of hybridization. Here 6 hybrid orbitals are formed. And with these 6 hybrid orbitals, 6 fluorine atoms, p orbital of fluorine atoms overlap together to form 6 sigma bond. In this way, SF6 have a octahedral structure. This fluorine, here fluorine, 4 fluorine are present at corner and 2 fluorine atoms are present at axial position. This one is the structure of SF6. There is a sp3d2 type of hybridization. It is a sp3d2 type of hybridization. Now next is the sp3d3. Now next type of hybridization is sp3d3. sp3d3 hybridization. sp3d3 hybridization. In sp3d3 hybridization, 7 hybrid orbitals are formed. 1s, 3p and 3d orbitals intermix together to form 7 hybrid orbitals. Now, in what way IF7 shows such type of hybridization, we will discuss. In IF7, 7 fluorine atoms overlap with 7 hybrid orbital of iodine and form pentagonal bipyramidal structure. It shows pentagonal bipyramidal structure. IF7 have a pentagonal bipyramidal structure because we know that if 7 electrons are present in outermost orbit of halogen atoms, so last electronic configuration of last cell of iodine is like this: NH2 NP5, NH2 NP5. तो NH2 NP5 में आप इस तरीके से in NH2 2 electrons are present, and in NP5 5 electrons are present, like this 3, 4 and 5, and D is vacant. This one is the ground state, is a ground state. But in excited state what happened? One electron jump from this NS orbital, 1, 2, 3, and one electron jump from NP 5 orbitals also. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3. One electron jump from NS2, and one electron jump from NP5. Now these orbitals intermix together to form sp3d3 type of hybridization. 7 hybrid orbitals are formed. 7 hybrid orbitals are formed. So in 7 hybrid orbitals, 7 fluorine p orbital of fluorine atom overlap and form pentagonal bipyramidal structure. Iodine is central atom, fluorine, this fluorine, here one fluorine is present, and here one more fluorine is present, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more fluorine. It is a pentagonal bipyramidal structure. It is a pentagonal bipyramidal structure. Pentagonal bipyramidal structure. Pentagonal bipyramidal structure. Pentagonal bipyramidal structure. So IF7 show sp3d3 type of hybridization. Dear student, now we will discuss about some important formula, and with help of such type of formulas we can find out type of hybridization.